Hello everyone, it's Jeremy with WFS Water Filtration Systems. I am here in beautiful Cap Bonita, which is actually Playa Bonita. This subdivision is called Cap Bonita. At a very large villa here, newly built, gorgeous home. And I wanted to show you the whole home filter and the RO system that we installed here for this customer. Down below their pool here, they have a utility area where the pool pump and the main water supply comes in. Pretty good sized room, obviously for the size of this home. This is the whole home system that we put in for them. This is a larger unit than we put in like the condos and the smaller homes. This is a 20R22 system, which handles 20 gallons per minute. It's got a two-stage sediment filter system and a near UV disinfection system. So we ended up plumbing this in to the main water system again, and coming out, going back in, so that this provides clean, filtered, bacteria-free water throughout the entire home here. And this home has a total of 9 bathrooms, 1 large kitchen and 2 kitchenettes, so it's a decent sized home. But it turned out very nice. And I will go and show you the RO system we put in. I am here in Cap Bonita, which is the far end of Playa Bonita in Los Terrenos, in this beautiful home that we installed a whole home system and a RO system in. Just kind of giving you the view here. It's an enormous, beautiful, brand new house that was built. They are right on the ocean there. And we installed a whole home system as well as the RO system. Kind of give you an idea of the kitchen area here. Beautiful kitchen, all marble floors and countertops. Sink. Here is the water faucet for the system. This was a little bit unique, but not an issue with the installation of the actual RO system, because we have a drawer cabinet as opposed to a typical door cabinet. And as you see, we were able to mount that tankless system in here, right around the drawers that go in. So a couple of small alterations, but as you see, that unit fits beautifully in there. Hooked up nicely. And now they have clean drinking water, as well as whole home filtered water from the system that we put in outside in the main water supply area. So the whole house has filtered water now. Okay guys, that's it. If you're interested, give us a call on WhatsApp. WFS Water Filtration Systems.